Hi guys, so today I have a spring decor haul. And I'm so excited for this video because if you guys don't know, this is my first apartment. Well, I live with my brother, but this is my first time living out of my mother's house and I get to actually decorate for myself. I'm not a super creative person. I get a lot of ideas from Pinterest. I don't usually come up with stuff by myself. So a lot of this was Pinterest inspired. And after this video, I will be uploading a spring decorate with me video, and if I uploaded that already, I will link it up here, and if I haven't, then be on the lookout for that video and subscribe for more decor, decorating, cleaning, and decluttering videos. So I went to 3 places. I went to Target, the Christmas tree shop, and at home. Target, I only really just went through the dollar spot because that's my favorite spot, and I knew I was going to other stores, so I didn't really want to go around the whole store. So I'm going to show you guys what I got at the dollar spot. So the first 2 things I got are these paper grass decor for Easter. I'm probably gonna put them either in a vase or a basket and do some cute decor with it. I don't know exactly yet, but these were only $1 at the Target dollar spot. Next, I got this cute little flowery vase, white with gold handles, and this was $5 in the Target dollar spot, and I might actually put the grass in it and do some cute flowers and decor, but again, I kind of just gotta play around with it and see what I like. I got this super cute Hello Spring poster. This was only $1, and then to hang this you have to use one of these. This is the poster hanger, and this was $5, and it's kind of hard to see in the picture. That's how it's supposed to look. So you hang it from something and put the poster in between, and I have a perfect spot for it, so I'm excited to put this up. Last thing I got at Target is this cute little magnet for $1, and it says no matter how long the winter, spring is sure to follow. And I thought it was super cute for $1, and they had a couple other ones, but I decided to pick this one. They also had the Hello Spring, like I just showed you in the poster. They had it in a magnet, but since I already got it in the poster, I didn't want to get it in a magnet too. So the next place I stopped at was the Christmas tree shop, and for the longest time I thought this was a Christmas store. It's literally called the Christmas tree shop. I was like, oh yeah, that's a cute store. I don't know why it's open all year though. And my mom was like, no, it's literally not. So I went in and I literally fell in love, and ever since that's where my go-to is for all my decorations. So of course I got some flowers. So I actually got 5 sets of flowers. I don't even remember getting that many, but they were each $5 a set, which I thought was a little pricey, but I was like, look, it's an investment in your future of decor for the next few years, so it's worth it. And I didn't get real flowers because I can't keep them alive. Let's just be honest here. They're called lilacs. I don't know anything about flowers. I just think, oh, they're pretty, let me get those. Got these purple ones. These cute little sunflower ones. I have no idea what these are called, but they're super cute. I got this cute set of eggs, obviously to decorate this, and this was $1.99, and they're super cute in all these different colors. I got these window decals. I've actually been putting them on my microwave, and I think it looks super cute. And then I have some on my window for Valentine's Day that I need to take down, but I'm gonna also use these. These were $1. And I got another bag of the grass. This is purple, and this big pack was $2.19, but I think this was actually a better deal than Target. And they had a lot of different colors. They had green, yellow, pink, so more variety, but I love purple, so I got purple. These lights were on clearance, and I thought they were perfect for spring because they're so colorful and pretty. So these were originally $12.99, and they were on clearance for $8.98. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put them yet, but I mean, these are good for spring as well as year round, so I'm excited to put these up. The next thing I got at that store is this cute little, it's actually plastic, but it looks like glass, and it says pour, and I'm doing this cute little lemonade stand thing. I thought this was perfect, and it was actually on clearance for $2.49, and I wish they had different ones that said lemonade or something, but this I'll have to do. And this next thing's random, but I thought it might be cute to have if people come over, and it's these little lemon cream cookies, and I thought if I make that little lemonade stand thingy that this would be cute to put on like when people actually come over, so it's not just decor but it's actually like a treat. This next thing isn't really decor, but I wanted to spice things up. I only have one set of sheets and I wanted something to kind of be more spiced up and colorful. So I got this pink set of sheets. This is for a full. Mine's a full, but it's actually kind of large. I don't know if these are gonna fit, but I'm hoping they will. And these were on clearance for $9.98. And it comes with a sheet, a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. So that's nice to get some extra pillowcases as well. I got these cute little like egg decorated like lights, and this was $5.99. And I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with it, but I just couldn't pass it up because it was just so cute. Other thing that I have no idea what I'm gonna do with is this cute little, I thought it was a candle at first, but it's not. But it's just like a purple, like Easter themed little like glass jar. And this was $1.99. And I might put like a little like fake light in here, or tea light, and maybe put it out, but we'll have to see. And the last thing I got from the Christmas tree shop is this cute little just decor thing. And it says hop, hop, hop. And I have like a bunny butt on it. And it's not really anything, but just cute for decor. The last stop I made was At Home, and if you guys don't have an At Home store by you, you guys are missing out. You guys gotta check it out if you do. And I initially went there to get a 2-tier like tray, which is what I was gonna do, like either my lemonade stand or just decor, but I couldn't. Well, I found one, but it was like $45, and I just can't justify paying $45. So I'm just gonna have to maybe go to TJ Maxx or something and find something else. But I did get a couple of things for the spring decor. Got these fake lemons, which is going to be perfect for lemonade setup. And so these are smaller ones, and each 4-pack was $5.99. And then these are bigger ones, and these were also $5.99. So I don't know how many I'm going to need. If I need more, I might go back. But I was thinking about putting these in the little jar that says pour. And I don't know, I'll have to play around with it, but I'm so excited to see how this ends up. And the last thing I got was just this cute little white tray, and this was $9.99. They have so many different trays there, but I wanted a white one so I can use it like all year round for all the different seasons. And again, I'll probably just put some cute decor. I might even put my lemonade thing on here, but we're gonna have to see. And that's everything I got today. I'm so excited to decorate and share that with you guys because this is my first time really decorating. If you guys have any ideas on how to decorate, if you guys know where I can get a good 2-tier tray for less than $45, please share it with me, because I want one that, again, I can use all year round for all the different seasons and decor. So if you guys have one or know where I can get one, please let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if I have that decor video uploaded, I will link it above and also in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. For my little I probably shouldn't chew gum in the video. I'm not a huge, will be up later.
I made, the last one not really spring related, but I got these water bottles. I think they were like $1 or $1.50, and they're the large ones, and I want to make a couple of DIY cleaners, so I got these so I can actually do it, because I don't have any like regular, like, I don't have any like, you know.